Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about cookware. Now originally we went to Belk's to pick up this Cook's Tools stainless steel 8-piece set with aluminum core. It really looks to be something that we were interested in, but while we were there, my wife came across this one, Granite Stone Diamond. Now she really liked the white. She was looking for something for the kitchen. I was looking for new pots and pans to go with the stove. And these are the two sets that we were choosing from. Now this one, this Cook's Tools, came with a 5-quart covered Dutch oven, 2-quart covered saucepan, 10-inch frying pan, 8-inch frying pan, 1-quart covered saucepan, 3 glass lids, and it was on special. It was marked down from $130, I believe, down to $25. So we're like, when I looked, it was a doorbuster special. Purchased it online. She went to pick it up yesterday, but she called me and told me about this Granite Stone set, and I said pick them both up and we'll take one back, whichever one we don't like. So the Granite Stone is the one we chose to use. So the Granite Stone comes with an 8-inch fry pan, a 10-inch fry pan with a lid, a 1.5-quart saucepan and with pour and strain lid, a 2.5-quart saucepan with pour and strain lid, a 5-quart stock pot with lid, and a stainless steel steamer insert. And it's heavy-duty forged aluminum cookware with a hammered finish. It says it's rated at 10 times extra longer lasting, made without PFOA and PFOS. This is dishwasher safe, 2 pour and strain lids, no oil or butter needed, 500-degree Fahrenheit oven safe, all cooktops including induction. It's in white. I'm really liking it. I like the quality of the pans. I like the thickness of the pans. It seems to be in between, not too thick and not too thin. I like the steel insert in the bottom. This is for induction ranges, but it also gives some durability to the bottom of the pan, which I'm really looking forward to. Now my wife found this in white. I searched the internet. I could not find a white set anywhere. So I don't know if that's just for Belk's. That's where she picked it up yesterday. It has the hammered finish, which is like an old touch to a new product, which I really like. Got the stainless steel handles. I like that the handles are riveted and not screwed, so they're not going to come loose. Durability-wise, these should be very well. Durability-wise, these should last a long time. Now, comes with glass lids. Has pouring spouts on 2 pans, and on 2 lids it has holes in there for drainage so you can pour out your liquids and keep your food inside there. It also comes with this steamer, this stainless steel steamer here that sits in top of this big pan here, and the big pan is very nice. So I'm really liking this big pan. I'm liking the 10-piece set. It looks like it's going to be very handy. My wife really likes the white. She really liked that. I found this set in red and blue, and I believe they call it titanium and black, but I have never seen the white. She came across it yesterday. We're liking it. Looks to be quality. This diamond stone interior, time will tell how long that will last, but there is good reviews on it. I am liking the quality of this setup, guys. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Please hit like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.